Good morning. Before cruising through distributed generation and smart grids, I wish to give you some introduction about disruptive technologies and the current energy scenario. So today we will be discussing something about disruptive technologies and our growing energy needs. So what is disruptive technology? In 1998, the Kodak company employed 170,000 globally. And in 2000, the digital photography pushed them down. Employees lost their jobs. Let us stroll down the memory lane. The Fifth Avenue, New York, 1900. You can see the street is crowded with horse carts. And the question is, can you spot a car? Very difficult. But if you observe very carefully, you can see a car over there. Now let us go to the same Fifth Avenue, New York, 1913, that is 13 years later. You can see the avenue crowded with petrol cars. So the question is again, where is the horse cart? Very difficult to find out. But once again, if you closely look into it, you can see a horse cart over there. So from 1900 to 1913, a transformation has happened. What is disruptive technology? Or what is disruptive? A disruption happens when a new product or service helps create a new market and significantly weaken, transform or destroy an existing product, market category or industry. We had already seen the horse carts are replaced by petrol cars. In my childhood, we used to use a typewriter to type letters and leave applications, which was later replaced by personal computers. Walkman was replaced by iPods. Now nuclear batteries are going to replace normal batteries. A nuclear battery, its life may be 100 years more than our lifespan. So you just put a nuclear battery into your mobile and forget. Your mobile may get damaged, but then the battery will never dry out. If you go back 20, 25, 30 years, you can see these things in your home. Definitely you will see a wall radio, a telephone which is not a wireless one, a black and white TV, a gramophone, and some houses used to have typewriting machine also. Now as time passed by, electronic typewriters replaced mechanical typewriters. Color TVs replaced black and white TV. Mobile phones replaced normal phones. And gramophone and radio got into, or they combined into one instrument. We call it a tape recorder, which had a built-in radio too. Then all these things were replaced by a PC. A PC can be used as a typing machine, a television. And then laptops came in. And finally everything got merged into your mobile. So your mobile can work like a typewriting machine, a television, a telephone, a radio, a recorder, and there are many other functions which a normal phone can do. So the top disruptive technologies are listed here. So the 12 disruptive technologies I have listed here. And do you know why I'm writing all these things? Because you are now in the 7th semester of engineering, and in another 1 year you will be all going to the job markets. All of you look at the top disruptive technologies and get necessary skills and training in whatever disruptive technology which will place you well in the job market. So if you see that disruptive technology, you can see renewable energy is going to be one of the top disruptive energy technologies. Other technologies are mobile internet, automation of work, Internet of Things, cloud technology, robotics, autonomous vehicles. Yes, this is something related to electrical. Again, robotics is also partially related to electrical. Genomics, energy storage, this is something electrical. 3D printing, advanced materials, advanced oil and gas exploration and recovery. So what I want to bring to your notice is you have to concentrate your energy in getting more and more skills and knowledge in electrical, the top disruptive technology, namely renewable energy, energy storage, autonomous vehicles, IoT, and if possible you can enter into robotics also. So the more you get skills in these areas, I guarantee you that you will be well placed. I have listed some 12 disruptive technologies, and this list is not complete. The list continues. The number 1 is the artificial intelligence. A lot of scope is there in AI. So if possible, do some courses in AI. Mobile internet, IoT. You can do your projects, something related to IoT. Advanced materials, 3D printing, medical innovations. Medical innovation is very important because we are going through a very tough time during this COVID season. There is an urgent need for many medical devices. If you can do something in that area, that will put you in the limelight. Then advanced oil exploration and recovery, robotics, this is a very promising area. Blockchain technology, believe me, you go and do a short course in blockchain. That will help you in your final interviews. Autonomous vehicles, try to do a project on autonomous vehicles without drivers. Then virtual reality. And finally, coming to renewable energy, I have highlighted it with the red color because we are now slowly moving towards renewable energy, and our course will be more oriented towards renewable energy. So what is renewable energy? Solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, wave energy, electrochemical energy, all these are examples of renewable energy. Now the biggest disruption in future will be in 2 areas. One is transportation and second is energy. A lot of disruption is going to happen in the field of transportation, especially most of these transportation, cars, buses, boats, cycles, trains, all this will go electric. Why we go for electric? Lesser pollution and also more energy efficient. And secondly, the energy, various types of energies we will be using. So the clean disruptions in transportation and energy. So there will be a lot of electric vehicles on the road. Self-driving cars or autonomous vehicles will be there. Energy storage and solar and wind. Again, our concentration is towards solar and wind. That is why I have highlighted it in red color. So let me wind up here, and we will see the remaining in the next session. Thank you very much.